Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn the most money in the Roblox game Wanted, up to 350,000 per hour. If this helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Let's get started. Our biggest source of income is the Wanted bank. You can rob the bank in every 20 minutes, where you will find vaults of various colors. If you are lucky, you can get a lot of dollars, rubies, gold bars, stones, and even Bitcoin. So make sure to rob the bank every 20 minutes and sell your loot at the syndicate base for double the price. As we know, the syndicate base offers 2x more dollars than the pawn shop. To locate the syndicate base, open your map and navigate to this specific coordinate. Once you arrive, look for an NPC named Sir B by selling your loot to him. You will maximize your profit with a 2x payout compared to other locations. So, the plan is, we'll loot the Wanted bank once every 20 minutes. During the cooldown or spare time, we'll loot the nearby mini bank and use other methods to earn more. Anyway, our second source of income is looting the mini bank located next to the syndicate base. To do this, you will need an RPG-7 or a C4 bomb to break down the bank door. Here, you can earn 4,000 to 5,000 or more, along with gold bars, silver bars, rubies, and Bitcoin. Once you collect these, head back to the syndicate base to sell them for double the price. However, keep in mind that you must wait 4 hours to receive the full payment. This second step is definitely a crucial part of the process. Our third source of income is collecting loot by opening drawers. Whenever you see drawers like this, collect the loot from them and sell it at the syndicate base. If you are lucky, you might even find some high-value items. Our fourth income source is ATM machines. By hitting all the ATMs in an area, you can easily earn $1,000 to $2,000 in total. So during the 20 minutes bank cooldown, try to collect as much cash as possible from these machines. Our fifth income source is auto shops. You can loot ATM machines and crack the safes in every auto shop on the map. Each safe contains dollars, valuable items that you can sell to earn more. This makes auto shops an easy way to gather loot across the map. The sixth income source is Fort Bridge, where you can find dollars and valuable items by opening various boxes, and you can even hack military crates to get powerful weapons, rare items, and cash. However, you must be careful because this is a combat zone. Anyone can open fire on you, so stay alert. The seventh source of income is robbing the electric shop. You can find this location right next to the Wanted bank. Enter the shop named Coffee Shop, use a C4 bomb to blow open the storage door and steal the electric items. You can then sell them for a great price to Sir B at the syndicate base. However, you must be careful of police as they are usually stationed nearby at the bank. By the time you finish these side earnings, the Wanted bank cooldown will be over. You can rob the bank again and then route it back to the other loot locations I mentioned. By repeating this cycle over and over, you can easily earn between $200,000 to $350,000 per hour. And that was our full video on earning strategies. I hope that by following this strategy, you can easily become wealthy in the Roblox Wanted game. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.